And maayong hapon basketball fans, and we're live here still at the Davao City Recreational Center. And welcome sa atong Day 4 ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office of the City Government of Davao City in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this is our fifth and final game for today. The game is between the Musab Kagan versus the Team Iranon. So this is really a very exciting ball game as Team Kagan at Iranon are tied at 2-1. So if they win this ball game, they're gonna be somehow tied with the Maranao team, which is already at 3-1. So very important mo kasi top 2 teams lang per bracket ang papasok sa ating semifinals ngayong Sabado. So tomorrow's elimination games will important as well. Pero itong game na ito, Iranon versus Musab Kagan, are really one of the exciting ball games sa araw na ito. So will Claridel Lais of Iranon will able to push their team to the semifinals, or will Baser and company will prevent that one to happen? So as I remember last season po, Claridel Lais is playing for this Kagan team. Ang team pa nila noon is Kagan Waa. Now, he's playing now for Team Iranon. And we'll see what will happen in this ball game. So, shoutout dito sa mga tao sa itong Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. Shoutout dito sa itong commissioner, si Commissioner Pong Escobar, League Director Mickey Dihita, o si Sir Miggy Solitaria, and the rest of the RMG Sports. At sa atong RMG Sports, si Mark Castaneda Magno, along with Coach Rocky Meos at si Coach Wawa Lamano. So ako rin si Chris Iscara, inyong game anchor. Excited kay kumutanaw aning dula, especially Iranon lose their game yesterday in a very tight match against the Maranao team. At itong Musab Kagan naman, they lost against the RMT team, which is the number 1 team of that tournament. So medyo lack of players nun ang or power ang atong Kagan team, kasi wala si Cardawi Shikalabi atong dula nila against the RMT. So now I think Shikalabi might still not be playing today, but expect a high octane offense with a systemized offense for both teams. So we'll see who will be the winning team after this ball game. Yan. So first 5 for the Iranon, we have Gotpor, Kenneth Yap, Kasmin, Dalaw, at saka ito si Hussein. For Musab Kagan, itong si Toledo, Labawan, Bato, si Hamed, at saka ito si Andres. So ang the rest brothers mo ay nandito po sa loob ng court along with Matiman. So Dalaw and Andres will do the tip off, and first possession goes to Musab Kagan. Andres, blocked by Hussein. Kasmen with the ball for Iranon. We set up play here. Bigyan dito kay tinira ni Kasmen. Does a miss. Loose ball. Kuha dito ni Andres. Toledo has the ball here. Forward pass. Balik kay Toledo. Bigyan kay Matiman. One dribble. Kick out. Toledo for 3. That's an air ball. So balik ang bola dito sa Team Iranon. So dito tayo shoutout dito sa player Kagan number 1 jersey Rafael Baser, 3-time Dabra player Palarong Pambansa 2016, John Paul and JMC Varsity College player ng Davao City, Mutana commercial player Davao City kay from Teddy Boyser Baser. Wow, grabe din si Baser, no? Yung mga accomplishments sa basketball. And Matiman gets the rebound. So still no basket for both teams. Great defense. So ito, you can see first quarter pa lang gaano ka-importante itong larong to for both teams. Matiman, inside pass. Hamed Andres, block. Balik ang bola dito sa Team Iranon. Kenneth Yap has the ball. Yap, forward pass ito kay Gotpor. Ako, losing his footing. Stolen by Toledo, and ball stays with Team Iranon. So Claridel Lais, hindi nag first 5, ha? So very strategic tong lineup dito ng Team Iranon. Kenneth Yap drives. Yap Euro step for 2! So, Matiman for Team Musab Kagan has the ball here. 2-3 zone apply here for Team Iranon with Dalaw in the middle. Hamed Andres. Pass dito kay Andres. And that's a turnover. So balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. Is the inside replay here by Kenneth Yap. Pinoy step. Reverse layup for the easy 2. Yap. Kaya dito kay Hussein. Hussein, reverse for 2! So, 4-0 for Team Iranon. Toledo has the ball. Bigay dito kay Matiman. One dribble. Great defense by Gotpo and forcing that turnover. And balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan. Team Iranon. So, Musab Kagan here playing sloppy offense. Ball pass dito kay Kenneth Yap. Yap drives. Kick out. Gotpor drives. Kick out pass kay Kenneth Yap. Kasmin. And there's a 3 seconds violation on Dalaw. So balik ang bola dito sa Musab Kagan. Matiman. Pasang bola dito. And a steal by Hussein! Hussein! Diretso! For 2! Great job there by Hussein. And the 6-0 run now for Iranon. Toledo. For Musab Kagan. They need the basket here. Medyo complacent. Medyo predictable ditong offense dito na Musab Kagan. Toledo kick out. No one wants to shoot. Hamed, jump shot, and finally a basket for Musab Kagan. Great job by Andres here. Maintaining his composure, making that shot. Gotpor. Hussein for 3! Grabe, inspired si Mohamed Hussein ngayon. It's a 9-2. 7-point lead by Iranon. Labawan jumper. That's a miss. Rebound by Andres. Toledo. Bigay dito kay Andres. Matiman for 3. And he scores! Great answer by Matiman. So, 4-point lead na lang hinabol dito. Kenneth Yap. Drives. Inside pass. Naku, masyadong malalim. Sa replay here. Ito yung answer ni Matiman dito. Left wing, 3-point shot. Toledo. Labawan for 3. Overshoots. Great save by Toledo. Balik kay Matiman. Shoots for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Dalaw. Dito kay Kenneth Yap. Yap. Drives. Loses the ball. And ball goes back to Musab Kagan. So, Labawan will be sub out. And ito, pinalit dito si Adimat. He's a shooter. So, si another Labawan. Papalitan dito si Hamed Andres. So, ito, ang hype man dito ng energy guy ng Musab Kagan is in the ball game. Toledo has the ball. Dito kay Labawan. Kay Adimat. Andres. Matiman. Balik kay Matiman. Try to find Adimat. Corner 3. That's a miss. That's bullet down for Iranon. Matiman. Another 3-point attempt. That's a miss as well. Dalaw gets the ball. Binigay dito kay Kenneth Yap. So Yap will set up the play here for Musab Kagan. Kasmin. Balik kay Kenneth Yap. Gotpor. Hussein. Corner 3 na naman. That's a miss. Loose ball. Adimat with the ball. Punta dito kay Andres. Andres against Kenneth Yap. Andres. Great defense by Kenneth Yap. Steal. Yap with the ball. Yap. The diretso power move. And he scores! Great move by Kenneth Yap. Toledo. Kick out pass kay Matiman. Balik kay Toledo. Adimat. Toledo drives in the middle. Floater. There's a foul. And that's on got 4.
Foul jersey number 0.
So Kasmin will be subbed out here. So papasok din si jersey number 16, Lapitan. Ito, great I think strategic yung substitutions dito ng ng Team Iranon. Lapitan, who is a hot man yesterday. Ganda ni Lapitan. He's been put here in the 4th minute mark ng first quarter. So will Lapitan, mag-iinit ba siya kaagad dito? Lapitan, yan ang screen dito ni Hussein. Lapitan, kick out. Kenneth Yap for 3. That's a miss. Dalaw tries to save it, but ball goes back to Musab Kagan. So it's still a 5-point lead here for the Team Iranon. So shoutout dito kay Ahmad Alik from Lower Bagger, Pahamudin. And shoutout kang Kobe Adimat from Gata, from Gmar Kadunan. Shoutout sa inyo mga sir. Labawan drives against Dalaw. And ako, that's a foul on Dalaw. I think better. Tinaas na siguro niya yung kamay na doon. He might not get called for a foul.
First personal foul. 2 free throws for Kagi Dalawa.
So Labawan will shoot 2 free throws. So shoutout dito sa atong 123 viewers. So please like and share po mga kaibigan para mas marami pa makatanaw sa atong dula karon. So again, this is our last game for today. So this is really an important game for both teams. And that's a miss. So that's a turnover. So balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. So timeout's being called here for Team Iranon at magbabalik tayo after a short break. And we're back to our ball game with 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Team Iranon leading here by 11 to 6. 5-point lead. And a miss there. Adimat has the ball for Musab Kagan. Labawan. Dito kay Bato. So another switch of players here for Musab Kagan. So both teams meron strategic substitutions. Adimat for 3. Still missing. Ito si Adimat struggling from the outside in this year's edition of Ramadan Basketball League. Last year po, I remember Adimat knocking down 14 3-point shots in a single game dito po sa Davao City Recreational Center. Medyo hindi niya nakukuha yung mga touch na dito sa ating liga this year. So we hope that it will come soon. So Hussein is fouled here by Andres. So great job by Hussein fishing a foul there. So that means 2 free throws for Hussein. So shoutout dito sa CEO ng Nash Corner na nanonood ngayon. Customers are looking for her from Amira M. Musa. And shoutout kay Aslani Luntuakali from Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Wow, daghana itong mga viewers karon. Klase-klaseng lugar sa Mindanao. And a shot there by Hussein. So 13-6 is the score. 7-point lead here by Team Iranon. 2-1 trap defense. Bato. Ganito kay Andres. Andres, dire-diretso. Short. Loose ball. Nakuha ni Hussein. Ganito kay Kenneth Yap. Yap. Inside pass. To jersey number 88. To Shaquille Di Makuta. I think this is Shaquille Di Makuta first game. So 15-6. 9-point lead. And that's a miss on Andres. So Kagan is struggling now offensively here. Lapitan. Stop up 3. And that's a miss. Rebound by Andres. And naku, foul doon si Shaquille Di Makuta.
Holding down jersey number 88, Shaq Di Makuta. His first personal foul, third team foul for Iranon. Substitution. Timeout, Musab Kagan.
And a timeout has been called here for Musab Kagan. They can pop things around. They're down by 9. So we're back to our ball game with 1 minute and 57 seconds sa ating first quarter with Team Iranon leading here by 9 points, 15-6. So shoutout dito kay Harry Musa Osama. So shoutout sa imo ha. And shoutout kay George Berrano. And shoutout sa mga bouncer sa diri sa DCRC. Pato drives for Wakagan. That's a miss. Kenneth Yam forward pass dito kay Makalawi, but he can't handle the basketball. Toledo taking his time here. Pass dito kay Andres. Jumper, that's a miss. Daming open shots dito ng Kagan na namimintis. Turnaround shot, but that's a miss as well for Labawan. Kenneth Yap has the ball. Yap, dito kay Avila. Kay Lapitan. Guarded by Makalawi. Sagilan. What a spin by Lapitan! No good! Loose ball! Bato with the ball! Lapitan gets the steal! Lapitan! Extra pass to Di Makuta! And that's a foul!
Pushing down the jersey number 5, Matt Bato. His second personal foul.
So Andres will be subbed out here by Hamed Andres. So daming open shots dito ng Musab Kagan ha? He just can't make the shot.
19 seconds on the shot clock.
19 second shot clock. Lapitan has the ball. Guarded by Bato. Ganas kay Shaq Di Makuta. Kick out. Kenneth Yap for 3. Almost. Rebound by Hamed Andres. Sagilan has the ball. Dalawang tao ay nako. Stolen there. Sagilan keeps the possession. Great dribbling skills. Bigay kay Toledo. And that's a foul. And that's on Makalawi. So shoutout data kay Rasid Landiman from Barangay Waan, Team Kagan. And shoutout kay Mirasol Lapitan watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Go Iranon! So worldwide itong coverage karon ha. Daghang salamat sa inyong suporta. Please like and share pa po mga kaibigan. And follow na lang po sa atong Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. Andres jumper, that's a miss. Rebound may Shaq Di Makuta. Lapitan has the ball. Ganito kay Kenneth Yap. Guarded by Sagilan. Last shot here, 8 seconds. Yap drives. Yap reverse for two! Great job by Kenneth Yap. And that ends our first quarter with the score 17-6. 11-point lead by Team Iranon over the Musab Kagan. So, wala ball game mga kaibigan. Great intensity. And mababalik tayo after a short break para sa ating second quarter. And we're back to our ball game with the start of our second quarter ng atong game number 5 ng day number 4 ng atong Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. As Team Musab Kagan up against itong Team Iranon, with Musab Kagan down here by 11 points, 17-6. Ito, naglabasan na ng mga ace dito. And ako, Larry Delais! Knockout play for Team Iranon from Lapitan. 19-6. Ito, Baser is already on the court for Musab Kagan early in this ball game. Ito, binabantayan siya dito ni Delica. Ito, hinihingi ni Baser dito an isolation play against Delica. Baser, power move, Baser for two! Nagparamdam kagad si Rafi Baser. So, Lapitan has the ball. Ito, Glary Delais, ha? First time naglaro ng second quarter itong si Glary Delais. And ito, turnover by Lapitan. Balik ang ball sa Musab Kagan. So, shoutout data Team Iranon watching from Metro Manila, from Hanal Lameo Alove. Shoutout kay Engineer Dalo, nanonood si Omni Mo Gogo ng Iranon, Nasser Limbona. Pa-shoutout watching from Waan, good luck Kagan, from Meras Samgagil Nutakal. So, shoutout sa imo, ma'am. Ito, another Rocky Baser jumper, and he's good! 2 for 2 for Rafi Baser. The lead is cut down to 9 points. 4 straight points for Baser. Ito, Baser against Delica. Dari de Lais drives. Lais! There's a travel. So, traveling violation of Dari de Lais. Ito, turnover for Lais. Ito, si, Baser, china-challenge yung defense ito ni Delica. Ito, medyo na early kiskisan to for Baser. Ito, hinihingi ni Baser ang isolation dito. Toledo, nahihirapan ito itawid ang bola. Kick-out pass. And ako, that's an 8-second shot clock violation for Toledo. Ito, babalik agad dito si jersey number 16 for Musab Kagan. Ito si Labawan. Ito, wala rin yung isang player dito ng Musab Kagan, si Lacadon. As well si Calabi. Lais. No good. Loose ball. Baser gets the rebound. And great steal. Iranon has the ball. Lais. Garubi Sagilan. Lais drive. Inside pass. Loses the ball. Who gets the ball? Sagilan. Forward pass dito kay Labawan. And for 2, and ako, nagkakagirian dito si Hagonia at saka si Glary Delais sa kabilang court. Ito. And our security personnel quickly go already directly, preventing any altercation. So, good job by our security personnel and itong referees. We talk things around here. So unsportsmanlike foul on Glary Delais kay Hagonia. So that means 2 free throws plus ball possession for Team Musab Kagan. So Hagonia will shoot 2 free throws here. So shoutout data kay Mandy Antonio Balderas, player ng CR Farm, kay Tahir Lindogan Kabuyaw, ug shoutout Team Iranon sa pamayin ko kay Shakti Makoto, to my son Rafa and Amir Nagle from Metro Manila, from Hana Domani Alov. Yan. So Hagonia missed the free throw here. So part of the ball game lang mga kaibigan. So nagpagkamay na dito si Gary Delias kay Hagonia. So baliktad sa ball game. 8-point lead here for for Team Iranon. Sagilan. Pasa dito kay Labawan. Ito si Baser. Humihingi ng isolation dito against Delica. Labawan. Matiman. Kaki Baser against Delica. Step back 3 for Baser. That's a miss. And rebound here. 3-point against Oliver Hagonia for 2. Great pressure there by Musab Kagan. And the lead is cut down to 6 points. 19-13. Clary Delias has the ball. Guarded by Matiman. 2-3 zone apply here. Zone out dito ni Baser yung gitna. Gokpor. Inside pass. Lose the ball. Sagilan has the ball here. Nasa likod niya si Baser. Sagilan for 2! And a run here for Musab Kagan. 4-point lead na. Inabol na dito sa Team Iranon. Lais. Bigay kay Gokpor. Inside pass to Delica against Baser. Delica. No good. Loose ball. Gokpor has the ball. Pasa kay Lapitan for 3. Bam! Big shot by Aying Lapitan. 7-point lead. Ito, Baser. Humihingi naman ng isolation against Delica. He likes this matchup. Kick out. Labawan. Wide open for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Lapitan gets the ball. Kick out. Lais. Drives. Lais for 2. Great quick footwork there by Gary Delias. 9-point lead here for Team Iranon. Labawan. Wide open for 3. And he does make it. Great answer. 18-24. 6-point lead by Team Iranon. Delica against Baser. Great matchup. Delica. Inside pass to Gary Delias. Kick out. Lapitan for 3 again. That's a miss. Loose ball. Who's got the ball here? It's Shakti Makuta. Play on. Lais. And that's a foul on Labawan. Grabe yung mga kiskisan. Grabe yung intensity. Sa gitna. Ito, nag-ano na si Baser dito pas Maripes. Ito sa instant replay here. Sagilan challenging the defense of Clary Delias. Pinali pa sa ere. And that replay is brought to you by the Basa Dabawenyo Disciplinado. Gokpor will inbound the ball. Ganito kay Lapitan. Kay Delica. Lebron Delica drives against Baser. Delica. No good. Still Delica. Loose ball. Ball stays with Team Iranon. No foul called. So the coach of Team Iranon is asking for a foul. Grabe, daming crowd natin dito sa loob ng DCRC in this ball game. Ito, Lais against Sagilan. Oh, great defense. Sagilan nangunguna. Hinahabol ni Lais for 2. Great job by Sagilan defending to si Gary Delias. Lapitan shoots for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Gokpor gets the rebound. Lais drives. Lais. No good. Loose ball. Labawan. Pasa kay Sagilan. Sagilan against Lapitan. Extra pass to Labawan. Ako, nabitawan ang bola. Lapitan has the ball. Lapitan. Ito, great job by Matiman giving up that foul. Prevent a basket there. They're not yet in the penalty. So, sideline inbound lang ito for the instant replay here. Sagilan challenging itong si Lais. Great job defense itong si Sagilan. Stepping up in this ball game. Lapitan drives. Lapitan reverse. No good. Hussein with the rebound. Got 4. Jumper. That's a miss. And rebound by Hagonia. Pasa dito kay Matiman. Baka dito kay Baser. 3 against 2. Baser. Eh, nako. Nabitawan ng bola. What for? For pass dito kay Gary De Lais. Lais against Agonia. That's a foul. Grabing intensity natin ball game, mga kaibigan. Non-stop action.
Jersey number 3, his first personal foul.
So, Gary De Lais will shoot 2 free throws. So, shoutout kay Cedric Lais. Shoutout sa Imua. And shoutout kay Rabia Canyon Campilo Lais. And go Team Iranon. Ipalalo yan from Feng Kong Kai. Shoutout sa inyo. So, shoutout sa atong 175 viewers, mga kaibigan. Lais makes the second free throw. So, 5-point lead. 6-point lead here for Team Iranon. So, Bato is back in the ball game. So, early minutes to for Baser. See, normally, third quarter yan siya pumapasok. Without Cardawi Shikalabi, he needs to step up here. Baser against Delica. Great matchup, and that's a foul on LeBron Delica. So, that means 2 free throws here for Baser.
Foul in jersey number 6, Kinay Delica. His first personal foul of the division. 2 free throws for Rafi Baser.
So, Baser will shoot 2 free throws here with 4 minutes remaining sa ating first half. First free throw is good for Baser. So, the 5 here for Musab Kagan. We have Katukag, Baser, Bato, Adimat, and Labawan. So, 2 for 2 for Baser. So, 4-point lead here for Team Iranon. Lais has the ball. 1-2-2 trap defense supply here. Lapitan. Ganito kay Lais. Grimes. Lais. Challenge by Baser. No good. Labawan with the rebound. Bato has the ball. Bato forward pass dito kay Baser. Baser against Dalaw. Extra pass to Katukag. But there's a foul by Gotmore. Wala pa sa penalty dito ang Team Iranon. So it's gonna be sideline inbound.
Also, jersey number 0, so he good for
Oh, no, you mean baseline inbound ladder.
personal foul, third team foul.
Katukag will inbound the ball. Ganito kay Adimat. Kaya kay Bato. Mas kilabangan ito. Ito, another matchup here. Baser against Lapitan. Baser tips it in by Katukag but no good. Dalaw with the rebound but there's a foul. And that's on jersey number 24. Si Katukag. So shoutout kay Jonald Bactad. Pasok ka na from Nel Crossover. So penalty situation dito ang Musab Kagan. So Haris Dalaw will shoot 2 free throws.
2 free throws for Haris Dalaw.
And first free throw is good for Haris Dalaw. Two for two for Haris Dalaw. And timeout's being called here for Musab Kagan, and we'll be right back after the end. And shoutout dito sa atong commissioner na nagtanaw karon, si Commissioner Pong Escobar at ating league director si Sir Mickey Dihita. Yan, naka-white t-shirt po. So, without them, this league might not be possible. So, shoutout sa inyo Commissioner Pong. So, babalik tayo after a short break. And we're back to our ball game with 3 minutes and 23 seconds remain sa ating first half. Musab Kagan down by 6 points here. 28 to 22. Adimat. Ito kay Katukag. Pass ito kay Bato. Bato drives. Pass ito kay Baser. Kick out kay Dimat. Naku! It's wide right. So, balik ang bola sa team Iranon. So, man-to-man defense apply here by Musab Kagan. Lais against Bato. Ganito kay Gotpor. A great defense there by Katukag. And then, that's forced them a turnover. So, balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan. Bato has the ball here for Musab Kagan. Wide open for 3. That's a miss. Rebound. No good. Loose ball. Baser gets the ball. Baser drives. Loses the ball here. Hussein. Dire-diretso. Pasa dito kay Lais. Fix. Shots. No good. Rebound by Bato. Great defense by Musab Kagan. Katukag has the ball. Katukag. Oh, bad pass. Lais. To bat against Baton! Yes, scores! What a questionable play there by Katukag. Wide open dun sa left si Baser. Hindi na binigay. Bato. Labawan kay Adimat for 3. Way out. Baser. There's a foul. And that's on Haris Dalaw. Is the instant replay here, turnover, then Claridella is changing his mind mid-air, scoring against Bato. So 2 free throws here for Rafi Baser. And first free throw is no good for Baser. And 2 free throws misses by Baser. So 8-point lead here for Iranon. Lais. Higito kay Lapitan. Guarded by Matiman. Inside pass. And luckily, nandun si Labawan. Dire-diretso sana kay Kotpor yung pasa. But timeout's being called here by Team Iranon. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. And balik tayo sa ball game with 1 minute and 38 seconds remains sa ating first half. With Musab Kagan down by 8 points, 32-22 to Team Iranon. So shoutout day kay Deputy Nakan from Bonin Luho Distancia. Lapitan by the ball. Pass here, no good. Loose ball. Hussein gets the rebound. Lais drives. Kick out. Lapitan for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Dalog is offensive rebound. Lais jumper. No good. Loose ball. Hussein. Great defense by Kagan. And Hagonya gets the ball. And balik ang bola kay Matiman. Great defense by Baser. Zone defense apply here. Toledo. Pass ito kay Baser. Balik kay Toledo. Pass kay Matiman. Hagonya. Balik kay Matiman. Wide open for 3. Overshoots. Toledo is there. And he's fouled. Grabe yung trabaho dito ni Rafi Baser, ha? Ito, Lapitan scored for a foul. Rafi Baser is doing something here. If he can do any offense, he's really challenging all the shots inside ng big guys ng Team Iranon. Tumingi ng tubig dito si Rafi Baser. And 2 misses by Toledo. So still 8-point lead here. 45 seconds remaining. Lapitan has the ball. Get dito kay Gotpor. Inside pass to Dalaw against Agonia. Dalaw loses the ball. Get by Agonia. Ito, napunta kay Baser ang bola. Baser, slowing things down. Bigay kay Agonia. Agonia, power move. Agonia scores! 6-point lead for Team Iranon na lang. 24-30. Lais, guarded closely here by Bato. Great defense on Larry De Lais. He's only have 2 points. Ito si Larry De Lais. Ikaw kilapitan. Agonia, great defense, forcing another turnover here. Lais, long 3. And Baser gets the ball. Long heave. And that ends our first half with a score of 30-24. Musab Kagan down by 6 points and Team Iranon leading here. So we'll be right back after a very short break para sa ating second half. And we're back na to our ball game with the start of our third quarter ng ating fifth game ng atong fourth day ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. It's an important game for the fifth game for the day, Team Iranon versus Team Musab Kagan. So both teams are 2-1. They're fighting for the second spot as of the moment. At yun, Haris Dalaw scoring there for 2. So 8-point lead here by Team Iranon. Matiman, Taki Hagonia. Kahit dito kay Lakadon. Ito, nandito na si Lakadon. Isa sa mga reliable scores dito ng Musab Kagan. Hagonia for 3. That's a miss. Hagonia gets the rebound. Kick out. Labawan drives. Spins. Labawan banks it in for 2.
Alvin Labawan.
So, Lapitan has the ball. Gaya dito kay Kasmin. To Baktad. To Dala for 2! Matiman has the ball. 8 minutes and 35 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Tirano leading here by 8 points. Lakadon. Pasa dito kay Bagonya. Balik kay Lakadon. Corner. Pasa dito. Balik kay Hagonya. Thinking 3. Balik kay Lakadon. Shoots for 3. And he missed. Andres stops it out. Balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan. Hagonya. Drives. Kick out. Labawan. Floater. No good. Rebound may Lapitan. Guarded by Hagonya. Ito, bumabala si Hagonya. Lapitan na still has the ball. Ganito kay Makalawi. Wide open si Kasmin. Balik kay Makalawi. Inside pass to Baktad. Inside pass to Daraw. Ayun ako, mukhang nagkakainitan dito si Hagonya at si Dalaw. Ito yung mga security natin. Ang bilis makatakbo. Securing. So they're explaining here. The referees will talk things around here. So tingnan natin sa ating replay dito. Ano nangyari? So ito na yung pasa dito. Ito yung ano dito yun. Ayun, may second na ano pa kasi dito si Hagonya. Dalaw doesn't like it. So we're gonna do a review here. So magbabalik tayo after a short break.
A sportsmanlike foul for excessive contact. Nino Hagonya of Musab Kagan.
So there's already a verdict here. So Nino Hagonya has called for an unsportsmanlike foul.
A sportsmanlike foul on Haris Dalaw and Nino Hagonya.
So Halis Dalaw is also for a unsportsmanlike foul there. Dahil sa kanang altercation. And now, since Nino Hagonya has 2 unsportsmanlike foul and a technical pa siya kanina and he's out of the playing court itong si Nino Hagonya. So ito may natanong na naman si Guardian, anong resulta ng game sa Didet versus Maranao? So sir, panalo po ang Maranao via default. So ganun po nangyari. So Haris Dalaw back to the ball game. Haris Dalaw will shoot a free throws here plus ball possession. And second free throw is good for Haris Dalaw. So 14 second shot clock here. So 9-point lead here Team Iranon. So Team Iranon has the ball. Lapitan for 3. Air ball. Kasmin gets the ball. Ito, play hard defense namin napakita dito ng Musab Kagan. Will that sequence put fire on them? Makalawin. 24 second shot clock violation. So, wala babalik dito sa Musab Kagan. So, again po, this is really a very important game. Kasi, again, second place po ang pinaglalaban dito. Magtatay sa standing ng Maranao whoever wins this ball game. Matiman, bagay kay Labawan. Kick out, Lacadon drives in the middle. Kick out, Toledo. Kick out kay Matiman for 3. And he scores! Big shot by Matiman. The lead is cut down to 6 points, 35-29. Makalawi has the ball. Kasmin shoots for 3. And he answers! Balik sa siyang mga lamang dito ng Team Iranon. Matiman. Pass kay Andres. Cross court. At dito kay Matiman. Shoots for another 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Haris Dalaw. So Lapitan has the ball. Dito kay Makalawi. Wide open for 3. Cut short. Loose ball. Kuha ni Lacadon. Lacadon. Bothered by Makalawi dito. Lacadon still spins. Lacadon for 2. 7-point lead. Kasmin. Mikey Makalawi. 2-1 trap is applied here. Makalawi. That's an 8-second shot. 8 seconds violation here for Team Iranon. Is the instant replay here. The 3-point shot there by Matiman. But it was answered straight by Kasmin from the other side. So, balik tayo sa ball game. Toledo has the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Toledo. Kasi ito kay Labawan drives. Labawan kick out. Matiman for another 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. No foul was called. Lapitan against Toledo. And he scores! Over the outstretched arms. Itong kay Lapitan. Toledo rather. Grabe si Lapitan. Hangs in mid-air. Lacadon. Bigay kay Andres. 9-point lead here by Iranon. And ako, turnover pa. Grabing mga risky pass dito ng mga cross-court passes ng Musab Kagan. Ito, tingnan natin yung instant replay. Wow, what a hang time there by Lapitan. So, Adimat is back in for Andres. Labawan. So, 9-point lead here still for Team Iranon. Gotpor. Man-to-man defense applied here. Sagilan against Lapitan. Lapitan! Loose ball! And ball stays with Team Iranon. 4 seconds to shoot. So time has been called here by Team Iranon. They gotta talk things around. Magbabalik tayo after a short break.
4 seconds on the shot clock. 4.
So back to our ball game. 40 seconds shot clock. Bactal has the ball. Loses the ball. And Kagan has the ball here. Andres for 2. Kasmin. Very close here with Sagilan. Loses the ball. But a backcourt violation caused by Kasmin. 7-point lead here for Iranon. Balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan.
Backward violation. 14 on the shot clock. 14.
Toledo has the ball here. Kay Lakadon. Hinigay kay Sagilan. Andres. Kay Adimat. Shoots for 3. And still a 24-second shot clock violation. So great defense for Team Iranon. So 2-1 trap defense apply here by this Kagan team. So mukhang nag-practice talaga siya dito ha. Meron silang mga defense sets. Ay, hindi pala. Man-to-man lang pala. So lapitan natin Sagilan. Nakawala si Lapitan. Lapitan spins. Kick out and stolen by Sagilan. Sagilan to diretso. Extra pass to Adima for 2! 5-point lead ang inahabol dito. 40-35. Hussein. And almost a turnover there.
15 seconds on the shot clock. 15.
Shot clock 15 here. Hussein is back in the ball game here for Iranon. Kikilapitan. Guarded by Sagilan. Lapitan. Gikanas kini Baktad. Lapitan drives. Pass to Baktad. Jumper. Wide right. Loose ball. Adima gets the ball. Pakasakit Toledo. Great job by Adimat rebounding that ball. Toledo. Pass ito kay Lakadon. Ito kay Sagilan. Pass kay Andres. Lakadon. Sagilan. Shoots for 3. That's short. Loose ball. Still Sagilan. Balik kay Lakadon for 3. And it's a miss. Dalaw with the rebound. 3 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. Lapitan. Got it close here by Sagilan. Lapitan. Pass to Dalaw. Power move. Extra pass. Lapitan. Fix. Ayun, tumama sa pado ni Toledo.
Kickball.
Shakti Makuta is in for Haris Dalaw.
15 seconds.
So 14-second shot clock here. Naku, shot di Makuta nakawala. Di Makuta scores! Ganda ng setup play din ng Team Iranon. 7-point lead. Toledo has the ball. Still Toledo. Kay Andres. Andres. Kay Lakadon. Almost the ball. Lakadon. Floater. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kay Adimat. Shoots for 3. And still nothing for Adimat from the outside. Lapitan has the ball. Guarded by Toledo to Lapitan. Flips it up. No goal. Shakti Makuta. Loses the ball. Adimat gets the ball. Forward pass ito kay Andres. Andres nanguna against Baktad. Andres! There's a foul on Baktad. Grabe, nabangan talaga siya doon ni Baktad. He's the instant replay here. The knockout play by Shakti Makuta inside for 2.
2 free throws for Haji Andres.
So Haji Andres will shoot 2 free throws here. So 7-point lead here by Team Iranon. And first free throw is good. Two for 2 for Haji Andres. So Kasmin is sub in for Gotpor. So, man-to-man defense still applies here by Musab Kagan. So, they're down by 5 points. So, double team kay Lapitan. Shaq Di Makuta, pass kay Kasmin for 3. And that's wide left. So, balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan. Sagilan has the ball here. He will set up the play. Sagilan. Kaya dito kay Lacadon. Kay Andres. Adimat. Shoots for 3. Still missing for the outside. To si Adimat. Forward pass. And Adimat gets the ball. Adimat. Dire-diretso. Stop up. Jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Ball is stopped. Naku, napunta kay Lapitan. 2 against 3. Baki Baktad. Spins. Wala mo by Baktad. Balik sa 7 na lamang dito ng Team Iranon. Wala pang Glary de Lais dito sa Team Iranon in this quarter. Fourth quarter pa siya makakabalik along with Baser. Lapita, Ladimat shoots and he scores! Five-point lead. Lapitan guarded by Sagilan. Step back. Titinira, Kasmin, balik kay Adimat, resets here. Higa na screen, Shaq Di Makuta. 2-man game, stolen there by Andres. And ako, nangunguna si Andres dito. Andres, for 2. 3-point lead na hinahabol dito ng Musab Kagan sa Iranon. Lapitan, guarded close here by Sagilan. Great job by Labawan, forcing this stop shot by Hussein. No goal, Adimat gets the rebound. And that's a foul given up there by Kasmin, but they're not in the penalty. So that means it's a good foul. So that ends our third quarter with a score of 41-44. Musab Kagan clawback. 3 na lang lamang dito ng Team Iranon. So magbabalik tayo after a short break para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Back to our ball game with the start of our fourth and final quarter ng ating last game ng ating Day 4 ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this game is a very important game, the Team Iranon versus the Team Musab Kagan, with Musab Kagan down by 3 points, 41-44. So labasan na ng mga ace dito. Gardel Lais is back. Baser is back in the ball game as well for Musab Kagan. Baser, ganito kay Sagilan. Balik kay Baser, thinking 3. Kick out, Lacadon for 3. The short, Labawan gets the ball. Labawan flips it up. That's a miss. Loose ball. And nakuha dito ni Kenneth Yap. Balik kay Glary de Lais. Yap. That's a miss. Loose ball. Hussein, box in shot. No good. Dalaw! And that's good! Walang nag-box out doon for Musab Kagan. So, 5-point lead here for Team Iranon. Sagilan. Pass ito kay Baser. Jumper. That's a miss. Hussein with the rebound. Lais. Guarded by Matiman. Lais. Parang nag-maze lang. Lais. And he's fouled. And that's on jersey number 17. Lakadon. So, Andres is sub in for Sagilan. At itong si Labawan. So, Labawan to Labawan and Andres is back to the ball game along with Adimal and Matiman. Lais for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Gets it ball back. Lais. Pass to Dalaw for 2. Back-to-back basket by Haris Dalaw. So the lead is back to 7 points. 48-71. Inside pass. That was blocked by Dalaw. Lais. That's foul. Give it up there by Lakadon. No choice. Isa-isang replay here. Walang nag-box out dito kay Haris Dalaw. And itong setup dito ni Claridel Lais kay Haris Dalaw for the easy 2. Lais, step back 3! That's huge! 10-point lead here for Iranon. Inside pass, Baser. Reverse, and that's a foul. And that's on Haris Dalaw.
Pushing foul on jersey number 5. Haris Dalaw, third personal foul. 2 free throws for Rafi Baser.
So Rafi Baser will shoot 2 free throws here. And that's a miss. And second free throw is good.
And it's the 4th personal foul of Haris Dalaw.
So fourth personal foul na si Haris Dalaw. So isa na lang. Tanggal na sa laro si Haris Dalaw. So 9-point here for Team Iranon. Lais drives. No foul. Baser, 4 pass dito kay Labawan. And great job there by Kenneth Yap. Kala mo nakawala na. Great job by Kenneth Yap. Sagilan is back in for Matiman. Baghdad is in for Haris Dalaw. So Lakadon will inbound the ball. Inside pass to Andres. Kick out to Sagilan. Drives. Jumper. That's a miss. Baser with the rebound for 2. Lais with the ball. 7-point lead. Sagilan. Great job defending itong si Claridel Lais. Ako, yung tulak. Lais. No good. Sagilan gets the rebound. Forward pass ito kay Labawan. Pass ito kay Muntikan pa. And that's a turnover. So Toledo will be subbing in for Labawan. Is the instant replay here. The step back 3-pointer. Nothing but net yan by Claridel Lais. Yap. Guarded closely here by Andres. Yap. Pass to Baghdad. And that's a foul.
Holding foul on jersey number 19. He's second personal foul. Seconds on the shot clock. 14.
So 14-second shot clock here. Kenneth Yap has the ball. Kay Haglari de Lais. Balik kay Kenneth Yap. Shoots for 3. And that's a miss. Baser with the rebound. Ganito kay Toledo. Toledo has the ball. Ganito kay Lacadon. Pass kay Sagilan.
Shot clock 10.
Gay kay Baser. Guarded by Lapitan. Inside pass. Naku, tumama sa paa. Lais. Guarded by Sagilan. Spins. Lais. Kick out. Lapitan for 3. Almost. Baser with the rebound. Forward pass kay Lacadon. 3 against 2. Pass kay Sagilan. Jumper. Bangs it in.
Jared Zagila.
46-51. 5-point lead here by Team Iranon. Sagilan. Making difference here. Kay Lais. Gari by Baser. Inside pass. Backtad. Cross pass dito kay Shaq Di Makuta. But that's a turnover. Balik ang bola sa Team Musab Kagan in a chance here to cut the lead to a single possession. Ano ba didiskarte nila Musab Kagan? Kay Andres. Kay Lacadon. Kay Baser. Wide open from the corner. Naku, stepping on the line.
Stepping on the sideline for Andy Andres.
Sayang. Stepping lang. That's Sagilan's bank shot. Balik naman sa Team Iranon. The turnovers are really causing this game for Musab Kagan. Lapitan. Kay Gardel Lais against Toledo. Lais. Puts his head down. Lais for 2! What a shot there by Gardel Lais. Lacadon. Toledo. Paski Sagilan. Drives. Sagilan. Paski Baser. Baser. Brad block by Backtad. Still Baser. Paski Andres. Jumper. For 2! Great shot. And great presence of mind by Baser. Not forcing that shot. Kahit na blanca siya doon. So 5-point lead here for Team Iranon. So another exciting game na naman para sa Iranon. Last 3 games po ng Iranon are close games. Lais, great pass to Shaq Di Makuta. And 1! Oh, traveling is gold! Traveling! So balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan. Another chance here. Can they break the 5-point barrier here? Toledo shoots for 3. That's a miss. Backtad has the ball. Ganito kay Gardel Lais. Lais. Ganito kay Kenneth Yap. Wide open for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Nakuha ni Sagilan dito. Sagilan. Oh, decides to pass in the last minute. Nakuha ni Baser for 2. And finally, they break the 5-point barrier. 3 points na lang inahabol na dito. Shaq Di Makuta. Kenneth Yap. Glary de Lais. Drives. Extra pass to Backtad. Overshoots. Shaq Di Makuta. Lose the ball. Who gets the ball? And that's a turnover. Balik ang bola sa Musab Kagan. And timeout has been called here by Musab Kagan. This is a very important possession for them. They're gonna talk things around and magbabalik tayo after a short break. So we're back to our ball game with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Musab Kagan din down by 3 points. And Marcel hits a 3-pointer! Tabla tayo! At 53 all! And we have a ball game mga kaibigan. Bakta does the ball. Clarity lies. 3-point attempt. And wide right.
It's an air ball out of bounds from position. Musab Kagan.
Grabe, look at that shot there. Sinigurado ni Baser na papasok yung tira. And we have the ball game. A chance here for Musab Kagan to take the lead. Toledo. Step back. Shoots for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Dalo gets a rebound. Kenneth Yap. And we are on the last 2 minutes mga kaibigan. Kenneth Yap. Galaski ni Dalaw. Got it close here by Andres. Yap. Against Baser. Yap. No good. Loose ball. Baser gets the ball. Forward pass dito kay Sagilan. Sagilan dire-diretso. Gets pass to Andres. Loses the ball. Sagilan gets composed. Bigay dito kay Lacadon. Lacadon drives. Lacadon. No good. Dalaw with the rebound. Forward pass dito kay Lais. Lais dire-diretso. Steal by Sagilan, but no. There's a foul. Yun, nasaktan dun si Gadi de Lais. Munti ka na.
Lucky ball on jersey number 38. Jared Sagilan.
So, ball stays here for Team Iranon. Wala pa po sa penalty dito ang Musab Kagan. And timeout's being called here by Team Iranon. They're gonna talk things around. A very important possession. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Tabla tayo at 53 all. We'll see if Musab Kagan or Team Iranon will get the tie, the standing against the number 2 team currently, the Maranao team. This is really a very important game. They don't want to be in the 3rd spot by tomorrow because anything can happen already. Solidify na bukas. Kailangan matalo ng RMT bukas. Kung matatalo ngayon, kung sino team matalo ngayon, kailangan matalo ng RMT bukas or the Maranao para mapasok sa a chance na makapasok pa sa top 2. So they don't want that scenario. Bakta has the ball here for Team Iranon. Lais. Guarded by Sagilan, who is doing great job defending itong si Lais. Lais, kick out to Baktad. Drives, balik kay Lais. Pass against Marcel. Lais for two! Clutch shot again by Clarity Lais. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Iranon. Lacadon has the ball. 1 minute remaining. Seconds to play, and that's a foul on Haris Dalaw. And that might be his 5th personal foul.
Holding down the jersey number 5, Haris Dalaw. Haris Dalaw fall down with 5 personal fouls.
So this will be huge. So timeout's being called here for Musab Kagan. They gonna talk things around. Magbabalik tayo after a short break.
And again, just like to remind everybody, bukas po, It's Friday, April 10, 2026. Para matangkasin mo ni continue. Our first game will start at 8 o'clock in the morning. Alas 8 po, MCGPU against Balikisang. Followed at 10:30, Pagitanawan versus Dian. And then matakaw po tayo ng break. Mag-resume po tayo bukas at 2 o'clock. Alas 2 po ng hapon. Sama versus Kirawan. Then at 3:30, Mananaw versus Sagan. And our last game for tomorrow will be RFT against Kirawan.
So back sa team ball game, 59 seconds remaining. Musab Kagan versus Team Iranon. Kagan has the possession here. They're down by 2. Lakadon has the ball. What will be their play? 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. They're waiting too much time. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Toledo. And shot clock violation.
14-second shot clock violation.
So balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. Will this be a costly turnover for them? They need a stop here. They just play a good defense. Lais sa ginsagilan. They don't need to give a foul kasi penalty na sila pag magpa-foul sila. Kenneth Yap against Andres. Lais sa ginsagilan. 30 seconds remaining. Double team. Lais. Balik ibagtad. Lapitan for 3! Bang! Huge 3-point shot by Lapitan! Lakadon! Sagilan drives! Kick out! Baser drives! Kick out! Andres for 3! No goal! Lakadon with a rebound! There's a foul! That means 2 free throws here for Lakadon with 11.3 seconds remaining. Grabe no, nadulas na si Toledo and yun, wide open si Lapitan. What a huge turnover there, yung 24-second shot clock nila na naubusan at itong tira ni Lapitan. They still have a chance here. What will be their discard dito? Naku, mintis pa sila ka doon. So now is the scenario. So if Musab Kagan losing this game, they're gonna be 2-2. So bukas kalaban nila ang team ng Maranao. They have to win that ball game if ever they want to move on to the next round. Lose 2 misses. And Hussein gets the ball. Forward pass to Lapitan. There's a foul. 5.4 seconds remaining. So Iranon. So, interesting matchup po bukas. RMT versus Iranon. So, if this will be the outcome, so Musab Kagan should win tomorrow for against Maranao team. And hoping na matalo tong Iranon against RMT para magtabla sila na triple tie ng Maranao, Iranon at Kagan and point system na lang sila. But if ever that Iranon winning against the RMT, even though regardless, it doesn't matter for RMT anymore kasi 4-1 sila, they will be moving on to the semi-finals. And that ends our ball game with 53-58. Team Iranon wins over Musab Kagan. So, napakagandang ball game mga kaibigan. Down the wire, in the last minute, doon lang nagkatalo. Congratulations for Team Iranon. So, the standings are 4-0 ang RMT, 3-1 ang Maranao, and 3-1 ang Iranon. And Musab Kagan is down for 2-2. So, tomorrow po ang kanilang last game Napaka-exciting po ng ating mga games tomorrow. It will be a matter of who will enter the semifinals. So far, it was the RMT. Surely, pasok na sa semifinals. So, in behalf of the Madeo Sports, ako day si Chris Escaran, in part of the RMJ Sports Events. Joros Costan, our technical director, Gamaya Maneo sa atong mga cameraman, Rodel Cañete, Piljan Costan at Eugene Costan. See you tomorrow para sa Ramadan Basketball League 2026.